In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive money with Wise. To get started, sign into your Wise account. Once you're in, look for the currency balance where you want to receive money. This is important because Wise gives you receiving details based on the specific currency you choose, so make sure you open the right balance before moving on. After selecting the balance, click on Account Details. On the screen, Wise will show you the receiving information connected to that currency. Take a moment to review everything carefully. Depending on the currency, you may see details such as an account number, routing number, BSB, sort code, IBAN, or similar banking information. Next, copy the receiving details exactly as they appear. Accuracy matters here, because the sender will need to use the correct information to make sure the money reaches your Wise balance without delays. Once you've copied the details, share them with the person or business that will be sending you money. Let them know they should use those exact account details when they set up the transfer. After that, all you need to do is wait for the sender to complete the payment. While you're waiting, you can monitor your Wise balance for the incoming transfer. As soon as the money arrives, check that the funds have been received successfully. This helps you confirm that the transfer is complete and that the payment reached the correct balance. There's also another way to receive money in Wise if you prefer to send a request instead of sharing account details manually. To do that, go back to the Wise homepage and click Request. Then select Request a Payment. From there, choose either Share Your Wise tag or Share a Payment link, depending on which option you'd rather use. If Wise asks for an amount, enter the amount you want to receive. Then create or copy the payment request. Once that's ready, send your Wise tag or payment link to the sender. This can be a convenient option if you want to make the process simpler for the other person, since they can follow the request directly instead of entering banking details themselves. Now just wait for the sender to complete the payment request. Keep an eye on your Wise account for the incoming payment, and once it shows up, confirm that the funds have been received successfully. And that's it. You now know how to receive money with Wise, whether by sharing your account details or by sending a payment request. Thanks for watching.